Hello guys and welcome to a new video. So in this video we will check out the all new BMW 7 Series. Here we are at the 50th anniversary of the BMW M. So at this event there are many M cars, and let me know in the comment section down below if you would like to see also some BMW M cars in special colorways, BMW individual program. But here in this case I wanted to show you the all new BMW 7 Series because this is the premiere. Alright guys, and this is the all new 2023 BMW 7 Series, new flagship model for the BMW. So in the previous video we checked out the battery powered 7 Series, which is the i7, and here in this video we'll check out the new 7 Series with internal combustion engine. So here in this case, as you can see, very bold and really new design for the 7 Series, much different to the predecessor. So as you can see, the front design has separated main headlights and LED daylight running stripes. So let me know how you like this. It's very polarizing design for sure, but here if you have dark paint, it's quite these lower headlights are like hidden, so you cannot see them at first glance. That's what I mean. And you only see like daylight running lights at the top. So let me know how to like this. So the new 7 Series is 7th generation of the 7 Series, the G70. So here in this spec we have a matte paint. So this paint is called BMW Individual Frozen Deep Gray. So let me know how to like this paint. It's I would say like a graphite frozen gray. It's a very dark paint and also matte, but it's not definitely not a black color. And also whole vehicle has M Sport package, so very sporty looking with this package. So now let's check out the wheels. So here we have 21-inch M aluminum wheels, Stark spoke 908 M bicolor with mixed tires, so larger tires at the rear, and Bristol Turanza tires 255, 40, 21-inch, and blue brake calipers with M logo. So let me know how you like these wheels. I think they are pretty solid, but maybe I would choose different design for the wheels, but they are fine, I would say. And here we have the rear wheels, and these are obviously larger. So these are 285, 35, 21-inch. Alright guys, and if you enjoyed the new BMW 7 Series video, then let me know in the comment section down below. Also give this video a like, and if you haven't yet, then subscribe and hit the notification bell and turn on all notifications so you're notified for all future episodes. And thank you very much for your support. Alright, so the new BMW 7 Series is offered with petrol plug-in hybrid versions, also diesel and battery electric powertrains, and also mild hybrid. So in Europe the first will be i7 and also the diesel version 740D, X-Drive, and also 3.0 liter turbo 6-cylinder petrol engine and plug-in hybrid as well. And in the North America we will have the i7 X-Drive 60, and for the internal combustion engines the 740i and 760i X-Drive, which are both equipped with mild hybrid. And here you can see the radar in the grille, very nicely hidden, and BMW LED for the lights, the best lights offered by the BMW. Alright, so now we can check out the rear design, and if you have the engine version, in this case we have 740D. If you have M Sport package, doesn't really matter what kind of engine do you have, as is usual with the BMW. So you can get different engine like 740i, and the design will be pretty much the same. That's why I picked the 740i for the title, because yeah, it will be better searched on the YouTube basically. But it's in terms of the design it will be exactly the same. Also you don't need to have even the engine version on the boot. You can order it without it, as is the case often with the German brands. So now let's check out the boot space. Boot is electric and the capacity is 540 liters, which is 19 cubic feet, which is pretty good for this a large limousine luxury sedan, and LED lights at the rear as well for the taillights. A pretty specific design for the rear where you cannot even see the exhaust. So everything around the windows and the lower part and the doors is in chrome, also the grille. So this is called the chrome line package, but you can also black it out with shadow line package. So let me know which one is your favorite, which one would you go for. Alright guys, so now let's open the doors and check out the interior. So here we have the electric doors, which can open electrically and also automatically. I will show that at the rear, and many changes have been done here for the new 7 Series, as you can see here, completely a new design and layout. So here in this case we have the BMW individual merino leather with exclusive Amarone, and also the hi-fi system. In this case is Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system. So very nice, and as you can see here, the seats have really interesting design, which has like many sections. So let me know how to like this. Also we have M Sport interior, so exterior and interior, and you can close the doors here with the button if you are inside as well. That's very convenient. And also the infotainment system, as you can see, now we have 2 horizontal displays which are from one panel, and they are a little bit curved for the ergonomy. So what do you think about that, guys? Definitely let me know in the comments. And this is M Sport steering wheel with a very nice design in my opinion. So how do you like this burgundy merino leather? I think it's really stylish and really exquisite. Also has some perforation for ventilated seats, heated seats, and many options. Also here we have the BMW individual Grand Lusso interior, all kinds of driving assistance packages, and the display is also touchscreen for the infotainment system. You have some cup holders in the middle, and also here you can see the new layout with navigation, radio, and all kinds of stuff. Also here are some hazard lights, and buttons which you operate often are under the display, and some of the buttons are also at the central console together with the gear lever. And in the middle we have the armrest with some storage space, USB-C, so that's very good. And check out the seats, how fluffy, and I almost when I sit in the seats I was really surprised because they are very like fluffy, these seats definitely. So here the glove box was closed, locked, I would say, because I tried to press the button and it couldn't open, but there is a glove compartment in front of the passenger, as it usually is. And at the top we have the Sky Lounge panoramic roof window, but here in this case there is also something else, so I will show you that at the rear section. So here you can see 2 chairs for the rear. So if you press the button, the doors will open as well. They also have sensors, so if there is something, they won't open, so they won't hit anything. So here in the rear seats, I press the button and they open fully. So here is the layout of the rear. Let me know what you think about this flagship model of the BMW. So now let's hop inside and check out the interior. Also doors can close with touch of a button. And there is also like a smaller screen in the doors where you can operate the infotainment system, and also there is one large screen at the top. So this is 8K cinema display which you can control from the rear display. So here we've controlled the massage seats. You can also get with one press of a button like a lounge position for the rear right seat. So the front passenger seat will move at maximum position towards the front, and then you can have a lot more space as a rear passenger. So here we can find 2 cup holders and also some hidden storage space with USB-C ports. So let me know how to like this layout and design. Also this middle part you can hide it a little bit. Also we have shades for the rear, and this is how it looks at the front. So also new design for the seats from the rear when you are looking. Also you can change the climate control menu from this display. And also what we have here is 8K theater screen, so like 8K cinema screen. So pretty much all the width of the rear section there is a screen in 8K definition. So let me know how do you like this, if you would use this, if you would be sitting at the rear. So let me know what you think about this theater screen. And you can also fold it towards the top, as you can see here, so it can be fully moved away. And also here is how you can deploy it. So it's pretty fast, I would say, this deployment. And also if you want to hide it, so that's very useful as well. So let me know if you would use something like this, if you would be sitting at the rear. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Let me know how you like the new BMW 7 Series in the comment section down below. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you are notified for future episodes. Thank you very much for your support, and I will see you soon in the next video. Have a wonderful day.